day. This is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we are back with our Glory Fit smartwatch. And this time we are going to check on the different watch faces for this smartwatch, as well as check the custom watch face if there is a custom watch face. Okay, we are going to have a demonstration on how to download a watch face for the GloryFit smartwatch. So if you have any questions regarding the video demo, just drop a comment below. Okay, so let's start. So our GloryFit smartwatch here, QS08, it is already preloaded with several watch faces. Okay, let's see if we can access it here. Long press. Nope. Okay, so we really have to go to the settings, I think. So let's go to our settings. Okay, let's see if we have it here. So we have here the watch face section. So tap on it. We have how many watch face? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, 6. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have at least 6 watch faces. Okay, so let's tap to select. Okay, so this is a beautiful looking watch face. And of course, if you want additional watch faces or dials, okay, we have here the support app, the Glory Fit app. Okay, so we have here the Glory Fit app. Just tap on it, open. So as you can see here, we are connected. Obviously, we will have here the section for watch faces. You can access it right away. Tap on the watch faces and let's see. So we have here the dial center. Okay, we have my dial. I guess this is the downloaded dial. We also have a custom dial. Let's go first to the dial center. Okay, pull up to load more. Okay, let's see. Okay, so we have very limited watch faces here, as you can see. Oh no, still loading. Okay, so it takes time. Anyway, it's a good thing that it has additional watch faces here. I thought it is limited only to a few watch faces. Okay, no more. At least we have some here. Okay, it's not that comprehensive, but we still have, okay, a good collection of watch faces here. Okay, so let's pick. Okay, let's look. Okay, I like this one, so let's try this. Okay, let's tap again on the dial center. Go to our watch face section, tap on it. So as you can see here, it's asking for synchronous dial. So 634 KB with a 4K download. So let's tap and let's see. It's now syncing. Let's see if we'll have a successful downloading of watch faces to our GloryFit smartwatch. Okay, I don't know if it's syncing or just downloading. Okay, there's no changes on our smartwatch here, so let's wait. It's on 47. Let's wait. So we're almost done here. And sync successfully. Okay, it's a beautiful looking watch face here, unique. Okay, let's have another one. Okay, let's pick an analog, or maybe this one. Okay, let's tap and synchronize. It's now syncing, so let's see. So this is just light, 281 kb. Okay, 70%. Okay, so we have it here, our new watch face. Okay, let's go to my dial and let's see. So we have at least here 2 downloaded watch faces. Okay, then let's go to the custom dial. Okay, let's tap on it. So select image, so we have the font color for the time, so let's adjust. Okay, select image, so take a picture, album, so select album, gallery. Okay, our demo photo here, the rotten mango, and let's pick. Okay, then crop. Okay, so let's change the color of the clock or the time. Okay, this one is much better. Okay, let's change. Oh, this one. Okay, black. Then tap on synchronous dial. Let's see. Okay, it's now syncing. So let's wait. Okay, we are on 90% here. Okay, so let's see. And we have here successfully installed or downloaded a custom watch face. Okay, so my dial. So my dial is for your downloaded watch faces. Custom dial, we have it here already. Okay, so far no issues with the watch faces. Very easy to install, although the collection of watch faces here is just okay. Okay, it's not that impressive, just okay. Okay, but anyway, it works with no issues in downloading. And the custom watch face, okay, very easy to install, although there's no support for the album watch faces. Okay, you cannot load different images in just one watch face. Okay, so it's just a single watch face for the custom dial. Okay, so if you have any questions regarding the installation or downloading of watch faces for our Glory Fit smartwatch, just drop a comment below, and of course we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Bye.